The 2023 Ford Maverick is one of the best-selling vehicles on the market, one of the best-selling trucks for 2022. Surprisingly, it cracked the top 10 despite the fact that it just actually, was revealed in the last few years. A nearly 500% increase in sales from 2021. So we saw about 14,000 sold and then 75,000. So demand has definitely, you could say, picked up, and people are really realizing the versatility of this compact, small SUV based pickup truck. You have three different trims. You have the XL, XLT, and the Lariat. You get the Tremor off-road package as well, if that's something that you want, with a little bit of a beefed up suspension. Two powertrain options, 2.5 full hybrid powertrain, nearly 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas, around 800 kilometers approximately. So again, pretty respectable, very efficient. I think this is the future of these vehicles. Optimized hybridizations, we're going to be seeing more and more of that. Available 2-liter EcoBoost engine as well, 4K towing package possible if you want it. And interior wise, quite a nice setup in terms of some leather finishes if you want. Full size second row, infotainment, obviously everything you need there. Pretty functional, lean setup. Some storage under the seats as well. But again, the main thing is the fact that you have a multi-position tailgate on that bed, and you have a little power source outlet, 110 volt as well. Cargo capability, bed extender, bike racks, tons of different options. But again, the fact that you can drive it in the city, it's pretty slim still relatively to the larger Ranger and the F-150. So, you can get in tight spaces, busy roads, parking spots, things of that nature, good height clearances. At the same time, being able to still payload of 1,500 pounds, seat 5, and again, all for the great bang for your buck, starting at 22,000 MSRP. It is one of the most affordable and best value vehicles and pickup trucks on the market today.